Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Kawasaki 250 TR. This one only has 3,000 kilometers on the clock. It's a 2007 bike, has 2 keys and original toolkit as well. Absolutely mint condition. Front tyre is brand new as you would expect. Absolutely brand new. Front mudguard, no marks at all to make note of. Front headlamp assembly, again the same as well with the indicators. Front forks are perfect, as well as the front fork seals. Disc brake at the front, all good. Still has even the stickers on the tyres itself. Exhaust is very good, no signs of rusting at all. Engine still has that from factory black coating over it. It's the Kawasaki Big K paint job green with Kawasaki green. All really nice condition. Little mark there. There's one at the top here, which is just really superficial, and the rest of it is so perfect. Really tidy, nice little seat. 250 TR side panel, original, in great condition. Exhaust here, great condition as well, no marks. Kawasaki. Left and right indicator. 2007 bike, like I said, and the rear tyre is also perfect. Chain guard on this, and the chain. 250 TR left hand side panel, all good. The original toolkit is in there. There's your black paint on the engine, and then a little mark on the tank here. 2 keys, as I said, and fuel cap good. 3,300 and looking like 15 or 16 kilometers on it. Really nice condition bike. Come up to the front forks again, and fork seals perfect, like I said. Okay, so that's it for the visual inspection. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Okay, we're away on the Kawasaki 250 TR. It's literally a brand new bike. Everything feels just as if it's just come from the factory, with only 3,000 kilometers on it from new. It still had the cellophane plastics over all the indicators when it arrived in, which is kind of crazy. We're going to just do a shorter route this time than we usually do out in traffic, just because I have a lot of bikes to get through today, and I'll get through the same kind of thing just in a shorter fashion. So going through all the gears nicely there. Second gear, I'll get into third, fourth and fifth. It's a 5-gear bike, 249cc, 4-stroke air-cooled little bike. Third, fourth and fifth. So pottering through them all very nicely, everything working. Front brake feels good, which I'll just test up here and get into third gear before I do a turnabout. And you ready? Very good, very nice, lots of power in it for this little small bike. We'll do our little turnabout, always looking away in front and where you want to go. Okay, yeah, as I said, I will show you the indicators working. I've tested them, front and rear are good, mirrors are good. I didn't have the mirrors in the pictures, but these are the mirrors for the bike. As I said, 3,300 kilometers only on the clock. Seating position is nice and low. No hardships getting a leg over this one. Rear brake feels excellent as well. Combined, the two are very confidence inspiring, which I will show you coming up here. I'll show you just the rear. Okay, that's just the rear. This is front and rear. There we go, bit of skidding of the rear tyre, but don't mind that. We're going to go in left here, and I'm going to show you the bike itself, and more about the sitting position as well. So easy to get into neutral as well. We do have a neutral light here. Whoopsies, if I could just, there we are. I'll get off the bike, but first I'll show you sitting position. As you can see, my legs are completely bent. 6'2" I am, so anyone underneath that should be absolutely fine, I think, and anyone over as well. I fit on it fairly comfortably.
Walk around to the bike then. She sits really nicely. The lights all look really fantastic on her. I'll just do the indicators here just so you can see what they look like when they are on. But everything looks it looks pretty much brand new. Like everything is just really fresh. Lights are really bright. Lenses are all really nice and clear. She looks absolutely fantastic. I think she has the best colour scheme of this bike, which is the Kawasaki green, the big K on the tank. As you can see, you do have your indicators, a notification here just telling you that your indicators are on and which one that is as well. But that's kind of been it for this little Kawasaki 250 TR. She's running absolutely lovely, no problems at all. If you have liked the video and has helped you on your buying decisions, whether you're going to buy it or not, please do leave a like. Also leave a comment. If I haven't answered any of the questions that you do want to hear answered, I will answer them as fast as possible if you leave them down below. And finally, subscribe if you haven't already.